Certainly. Let me break it down for you. I want to share 10 effective ways to earn money using Canva. Along the way, I'll also reveal some cool features of Canva that you might not be aware of. Ready? Let's dive right in. Imagine you're exploring Canva, a popular design platform. When you search for quiz videos, you'll discover a variety of ready-made video templates. These templates allow you to create your own quiz videos quickly. Now, here's the exciting part. You can make money from these videos through affiliate commissions. Let's look at an example. There's a TikTok account that focuses on quiz videos. Despite being new, only 4 months old, it has already amassed over 100,000 followers. Their videos are straightforward quizzes aimed at people learning and practicing English. In their account bio, they cleverly include a link to a page with affiliate links for English learning courses and ebooks. When viewers click those links and make purchases, the account owner earns commissions. Creating these quiz videos using Canva is a breeze. Just pick one of Canva's pre-built templates, customize the graphics and questions to fit your niche, and you're good to go. If you're unsure about the quiz questions, you can even use ChatGPT, the free version works wonders, to generate engaging questions. Indeed, there seems to be a significant opportunity for freelance graphic designers that is often overlooked. Many freelancers on platforms like Fiverr tend to offer popular services such as individual logos, which unfortunately leads to a drop in prices, sometimes as low as $10 per logo. However, an alternative approach could be to offer specialized packages targeting high-income clients, like businesses. One such package could be a brand identity kit. These kits typically sell for an average of at least $100. As part of this service, you would select the client's brand font, color scheme, and design a logo. Canva is a fantastic tool for quickly creating these kits. If you search for brand identity kits on Canva, you'll find numerous templates that you can easily modify to suit your client's needs. An underutilized feature of Canva is its AI-generated color palettes. You can ask your client to provide an image or photo that reflects the aesthetic they want for their brand. By uploading this image to Canva, the platform's AI will automatically create a color palette based on the image. This can be a great way to ensure the brand's visual identity aligns with the client's vision. So, using list pins is a highly effective method to generate income on Pinterest through affiliate commissions. Let's take an example. If you search for growing vegetables at home on Pinterest, you'll notice several list pins ranking high in the results. One such pin promotes a list of 10 climbing vegetables. These list pins perform well on Pinterest because they are visually appealing and arouse the reader's curiosity. If you click on the link for this pin, it directs you to a blog page. Inside this blog, you'll find affiliate links to products available for purchase. This strategy can yield substantial earnings. For instance, one affiliate marketer managed to increase her monthly income to over $11,000 using Pinterest. She revealed in a video that she uses Canva to create her list pins. She has one template and simply replaces the text and images with new ones from Canva's library to create more pins. This allows her to scale her operations efficiently. 4. Create and sell printable wall art. On Etsy, customers often buy digital posters that they can print at home for DIY wall art. For instance, a set of humorous downloadable posters has reportedly made over $50,000, according to the Etsy research app Allura. Canva, on the other hand, has many pre-made templates for posters, making it easy to design your own. Canva also has a useful feature for exporting designs like posters in high quality for printing. They'll look vibrant when printed. To do this, click on Share, then Download, and choose the PDF for printing option under File type. Business startups are often not given enough attention on freelance platforms like Fiverr. This is surprising because startups require many services that can help them attract investors who are willing to invest from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. One such service is the creation of pitch deck presentations. A typical package of these presentations, which usually contains 10 to 15 slides, can be sold for more than $100. While this might seem like a lot of slides to create, tools like Canva can make the process much faster. If you search for pitch deck presentations on Canva, you'll find numerous ready-to-use templates that can help you quickly put together your slides. Additionally, Canva has a useful feature that many people aren't aware of: a built-in tool for creating graphs and charts. Since pitch deck presentations often include a lot of data, This feature can be very helpful in presenting your data in a visually appealing and engaging manner. If you search for mug templates on Canva, you'll find a variety of designs that can help you create your own mug to sell quickly. There are many popular platforms where you can sell your mugs, such as Etsy or eBay. Consider this print-on-demand mug on eBay. Since it was relisted, it has already had over 250 sales. Selling mugs on eBay and Etsy is straightforward, thanks to print-on-demand apps like Printify, which integrates with both eBay and Etsy. Additionally, you can list your mugs for sale on print-on-demand marketplaces like Redbubble and Zazzle. Mugs are also a popular item on Pinterest and are often pinned. You can use Canva to create Pinterest pins to promote your mugs and increase your earnings. One method to earn money while also assisting others is by creating self-care printables, which are in demand on Etsy. These digital items aid individuals in maintaining and managing their mental health. Planners and journals are common examples of these. For instance, consider this planner designed to help manage ADHD. This worksheet bundle has been bought by over 8,000 people. If you search for various types of worksheets on Canva, you'll find numerous templates that can serve as a starting point for your own creations. However, since many people are already selling planners and journals, why not think outside the box about what you sell? For example, consider these innovative flashcards designed to help manage anxiety. It's estimated that they have generated over $30,000 in sales. Custom products are extremely popular, and their popularity continues to grow each year. Consider this custom print-on-demand t-shirt as an example. It performs exceptionally well with Facebook ads, leading to successful sales in their own Shopify store. This is one method to profit from them, but another is to sell them on Etsy, where they are highly sought after. For instance, this custom mug has had 17 sales in the last 24 hours. What you can do is create your own custom design for a product, like a mug, using Canva. Then, in Canva's export settings, you can save this as a template. When you receive an order from a customer, you can simply open your template and insert their custom details. This feature in Canva makes creating custom designs very quick. 9. Create and sell classroom lessons. This might be a specialized opportunity, but for the right individual, it could be an incredible chance that not many people are aware of. If you search for school lesson slides on Canva, you'll discover numerous excellent pre-made templates that you can modify to create school lessons. Canva's in-house creative team has even made some very appealing ones that children really enjoy. There's a lesser-known website called Teachers Pay Teachers, which is the largest online marketplace for teachers to sell their classroom resources. So if you're a teacher or knowledgeable in a subject, you could use Canva to create captivating lessons and sell them for a profit. 10. Create how-to pins. People often use Pinterest to find step-by-step guides. For instance, if you search for how to create a budget, you'll see many pins designed to attract people looking for this information. When you click on the link in the pin, it directs you to a blog post containing affiliate links. People can click on these links to sign up or make purchases, earning the Pinterest creators affiliate commissions. This strategy allows Pinterest creators to earn thousands of dollars a month. If you search for how to pin templates on Canva, you'll find a variety of options. You can choose a design that suits your target audience, and then modify the text and graphics to make it your own. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.